In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Google Chrome browsing data with an emphasis on how to delete cookies and other site data to help protect your privacy and enhance your browsing experience. It's a simple process that doesn't take long, but it's an important part of maintaining your browser and ensuring it runs smoothly. Firstly, let's start by opening up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of the browser window. There you should see 3 vertical dots. This is your settings menu icon. Click on it to bring up the main menu. From the options that appear, move down to History and click on it. This action will open up a new tab where you can see a list of all the websites you visited recently. It's a handy feature for retracing your digital steps, but today we're focusing on how to clear some of this data out. Within this History tab on the left-hand side, you will notice an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on it and a new window will pop up. This is where you have more detailed control over which types of data you'd like to delete. In this pop-up, you'll see several checkboxes with different categories of data listed: browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and possibly a few others depending on your version of Chrome or extensions you might have installed. For today's task, we're concentrating on cookies and other site data. Make sure you check the box next to this option. Cookies are small pieces of data sent from websites and stored on your browser, often used to remember login information or track your activity for ad targeting. While they have valid uses, routinely clearing them can help protect your privacy and improve browser performance. After selecting this option, you can look towards the bottom of the window and find a button labeled Clear Data. Go ahead and click it. This action will begin the process of deleting those selected data types from your browsing history. And that's it. You've successfully cleared cookies and other site data from your Google Chrome browser. This simple routine can help you free up space and refresh your browsing experience. It's wise to periodically clear your browsing data, especially if you're finding your browser is running slower than usual, or if you're keen on maintaining your privacy online. Thanks for joining me today and following along with this task. Remember, keeping your browser decluttered isn't just about performance. It's also about ensuring your online activities remain private and secure. Stay tuned for more useful tips on managing your digital world.